Right, welcome everybody to another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon, and we're here to showcase Quopi AI. Now, this platform has been running for a whopping 120 days. Right, folks, so as you already know, this is another crypto trading investment platform. And of course, guys, it's very difficult to get over the fact that this platform has been going on again for 220 days, unwavered, unshaken in this DeFi space. Now, we do know that DeFi space is filled with booby traps and red herrings all over the place, but in this case, we've obviously benefited from one of the most sturdy and committed and forgiving platforms in this space for the last 8 months. Now, guys, I must say this platform is well put together. It is a pleasure to navigate around this platform. Very easy and simple. I will obviously take a look once we jump into my account. As it is, guys, I was totally done with this project. I was done with Quopi AI. They delivered me a full 30-day cycle. I can't complain about. I came out on top when it comes to that. I made my profit, which was roughly 62% in profit of my 500 USDT investment, and I was done. But of course, when platforms do work for you, and when you are a platform that's a leading platform in this space, I've been tempted back into the platform, which I always believed I would do. I just needed to make that step. So I'm obviously a week off course because I completed the cycle about a week ago, and I've let a week run. I was on holiday, but such platforms undoubtedly need to be leveraged. And so that's what we're going to go and do today. So today, contrary to what I normally showcase, which are withdrawals, we're going to make a simple deposit into the Quopi AI, and we're going to get this ball rolling again. Right, folks, so we're into my account. So I'm just going to scroll down and have a look at the previous stake that I was in. So if you go to manage funds and we click on your stakes, that will lead us to my previous stake, which was 500 USDT. I made a profit of 63% .87. That was over the last 30 days. If we view the details of that deposit, you'll find I made a profit of 319, which is the 63% in 30 days. So that was completed successfully. If we scroll down here, you can obviously see the profits that were derived from each and every work day that I was involved in this platform. So you can see the percentages: 2%, 1%, 2%, 1%, 2.34, 2.1, 2, 3.9, etc. And this was the monetary value of those percentages of my deposit here, all across the work days in the last 6 weeks. On this side, you'll obviously see the 5% that the bot takes as a fee, and this shows the status of these withdrawals, which is completed. Now, guys, obviously these withdrawals will go on and on and on. If I just scroll back up to where we were initially. Now, if we go back to home, right, so we can obviously see that the status is offline, and it will be offline for the next 13 hours. It does run with the New York Stock Exchange, so that'll be 9:30 Eastern time when it goes up. Now, in the last week, which I haven't been involved, I've obviously missed out in this 2%. If we look at the trades and just have a look at all the gains that I've obviously missed out on, you've got 2%, 8%, 3% days, another 1.8, 2.7. So these are all the profits I have missed out on. And nevertheless, miss out no more, because I will be making a deposit here and now to continue with Quopi AI. Right, guys, and also just to let you know, if you are new to this channel, all these videos that are on show here are courtesy of this channel, Crypto Weapon, where I look to showcase all the popular DeFi projects and all your favorite DeFi projects in the current DeFi space. As you can see, now this is a young growing platform, and we do appreciate all the views, all your attention, any likes. If you could possibly subscribe, I do appreciate the fact that we've passed the 200 barrier in terms of subscriptions, and if we continue to support the channel, we will definitely continue to put out as much of this content as possible. And of course, folks, if you do like the look of this project and you'd like to get started, there is a link in the description. It'll take you no less than 2 minutes to get involved and have a look at Quopi AI for yourself. I've also got a Telegram group in the link below where we just discuss. I put out content, I put out information on the Telegram group prior to me putting out videos, just to keep members in the know of what's going on in these crypto DeFi projects that we are in. And going back to Quopi, I can safely say there are a few people who also like this platform, not just myself. And if we look here, we can sort of see that there has garnered a bit of attention when it comes to this platform. Now, these people have got in when I went in, so they automatically got their ROI back. They've got their funds in their balances, and they've done a withdrawal like I did in my previous video. There will be a video up on the right hand side, a card which will show my withdrawal of 500, which was my initial deposit into this platform. The funds became available to me in my balance, and I was able to withdraw all of my capital from the project. Now, without further ado, let's get into this deposit. So I'll go to manage funds, I'll go to stake funds, Thereafter, I like USDT, so it will be Tether. I'm going to go down to outer wallet because that's where I am going to deposit from. And remember, guys, when you do withdraw your initial capital out of the platform after your 30 days is up, it's a good idea to do so, because when you then do deposit your funds back into the account, your upline would obviously benefit from any commissions like I tend to do for my upline. So in this instance, I am going to pop in 100 USDT. I'm going to untick the automatic stake because once I've completed the 30 days, I do not want to stake the funds again. I prefer to see the funds come into my balance, me withdraw the funds, and then make a fresh deposit, because I always like to test out the withdrawals of my initial capital. Right, so we just click stake, scroll down, so there it is. This is the address that I will deposit the funds into, so I'll take this address across to my wallet. I will obviously make a withdrawal from my crypto wallet to this crypto address, and that should deposit in this account in no time. So I'll see you back here once that's done. Okay, so after about a minute of me pressing the button on my wallet to withdraw 100.03 USDT, the funds are reflected in the Quopi AI account, which is fantastic. And folks, this only exacerbates my point when it comes to this platform and how it functions. It's extraordinarily speedy, and there's absolutely no glitches when it comes to processes within this platform, I must say. Now, guys, it's all here. We've got the 100 USDT deposited. We will receive our profits 23 hours from now. This is the cycle trading. This is 0 days out of the 30 days, working days, I must say. Are we automatically restaking at the end of the period? No, we're not. We're going to look to withdraw whatever we've gained. Hopefully that should be about 60% of that. There's nothing in terms of fees or any profits yet, as we have just deposited these funds into this account. Okay, guys, I've obviously decided to trust Quopi AI again just because of how fantastic it's been operating. If I go to manage funds and look at the stakes that I have so far, it's clear to see 500 there, completed 30 days on 30. And then in this instance, it's the 100 USDT that we've just sort of gotten into with 0 out of the 30. Now, guys, I must say, as you can see, I am in with house money, so I am using the platform's money. I am all clear when it comes to this platform, Quopi AI. Obviously, trusting a platform is virtuous to yourself. You have to do your research. You have to draw on your experiences from the platform to actually know if it's something that you want to go back into, like I have done myself. Again, guys, financial advice, this is not. I'm just documenting my journey and how I'm rolling the dice and looking to trust Quopi AI maybe one more time, more than one more time, because if this works for me, when this hits 20 days, I will be looking to deposit larger amounts. But again, even then, it'll only be house money. So in this platform, guys, we are home and dry. Everyone who joined beneath me is home and dry, and whoever joins now will obviously join me in this process of going through this actual run to 30 days. So I'm so happy with Quopi AI. It's fantastic. This is what keeps us going in the DeFi space. It's been a lot of rugs going on very lately in the DeFi space, and Quopi AI and Falcon and many other platforms have held steady, and this is why we are still in with a shout in the DeFi space. Right, on that note, guys, it's been a ball. The time spent with you guys has been fantastic. I'm going to wrap this up and wind down. Hopefully you guys can do your due diligence, continue to kill it in the DeFi space. And from me, that's all I've got, and I'll see you in the next video.